How's it going, guys? Indiana John here. Tonight I got a quick little unboxing of something that I don't know. I think I'm okay with it, but I feel like a lot of people are gonna be kind of sort of triggered. It isn't a clone. Ordered it like almost a month ago. Interesting bulk box. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I'll bet it's not even in one piece. Yeah. So this hasn't really gotten a lot of attention yet, which is a little weird. Like, people have talked about it and stuff, but not really as much as you would expect. Shop towels are a lot more rigid than paper towels, in case you can't quite see. Yeah, this is definitely... Yeah, so this, I don't know if I already said, but this came from Mexico. And it's made by Balisong. And it's called The Purge. And the reason why I think that people are going to get a little... Ooh, bushings are just sitting in here. Interesting. So I got one fingerprint on there right here, but it's got a lot of smudges. But if you look at the tang, if you can see the tang, there we go. It is the same as a rep tang. Alright. Not only that, but I don't lose any hardware. I mean, I could just replace it, but I don't want to lose it anyways. Yeah, so this is a lot harder than usual. Yeah, so some people are kind of saying it's a clone. Some people are like, it's its own design and stuff, just with the same, like, footprint. But, I don't know. I think it's cool that it is rep compatible. I think they did borrow a lot, and they did come up with a lot. It would have been nice if they had a little hat tip to BRS by saying, I don't know, by like doing rehandles and doing reblades and then offering it as a whole custom rep. That's what I would consider it, as a custom rep. But they mass produce it. So by mass produce, I mean manufacture instead of do individually by hand. As far as I know, I don't really know for sure, but I've gotten the impression that they are manufacturing a bunch of these, or at least plan to. Like, this isn't, hand done stuff, that's CNC. So, I don't know. A little tricky, but yeah. Sort of hoping to flip it. It's been coming for quite a while, but guess not, for now at least. And I don't see any hardware. It's probably... Aha! There we go. Oh, they've got some G10 spacers and some other G10 spacers. That's cool. And they've got... Did they do any spare hardware? Yeah, they got some more bushings in there. It looks like 2 sets of pivots and a bunch of washers. Sweet. Love hardware. Used a little Kirdashi made last night. opening stuff. Alright, that's it. I got a split. Thanks for watching, and have a good night, guys.